Will BMNR become a $100 stock by 2026, or is this a ticker which you should be cutting your losses or locking your profits and already walking away from? What's up, friends? Today we're discussing BMNR under three different lenses: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be doing a cast breakdown. The what, we're going to do some stock analysis. The where, telling you guys where to get in and where to get out and exactly where this ticker is heading in the upcoming year. So this is going to be a 2026 prediction video for you guys for BMNR. Now, if you are an owner of BMNR, comment down below how many shares you own, and I will go ahead and try to guess what your average price is, okay? And that's going to be a little fun game which we play together. Now let's talk about BMNR and where I see BMNR heading from here out. So BMNR. So first of all, what the hell even is BMNR, right? BMNR is a Bitcoin treasury stock. That's what it is, right? Now the reality is, guys, is that, you know, I've been like a broken record about this. I don't believe in Bitcoin treasuries. I don't believe in any sort of crypto treasury. Why is that, right? And I think that this is the part where a lot of people kind of don't really understand what my perspective really is when it comes to the long-term holding of these stickers is, look, the reason why I like Bitcoin, okay, is because there's a limited supply of it, right? There's a limited supply of it. At the end of the day, right, the stock is on the company and the company is on the stock. And we are stock traders. What does the stock move based off of? Supply and demand, all right? What does any asset move based off of? Supply and demand, correct? Correct, good. The reason why I like Bitcoin is because there is a limited supply, and as the demand increases, whether it's, you know, freaking government adaptation, whether it's, you know, payment method use going up, whatever it is, right? Investment banks getting involved, whatever it is. As demand increases and increases and increases, the supply is limited, prices go up. This is not the same thing when it comes to the stock market. There is an entity that can go ahead and be messing with the supply of the stock at all times whenever they deem necessary. Who is this entity? This entity is the company themselves. This entity is the company themselves. So this is the biggest flaw that, you know, nobody wants to talk about, right? Anyone telling you, oh, MSTR is so good. Take a look at MSTR. Why do you think MSTR is trading the way MSTR is trading right now? Why do you think MSTR, if you go on a daily, why do you think MSTR is trading the way it's trading right now? Bitcoin is close to its all-time highs. Shouldn't MSTR be up to here? Shouldn't MSTR be at 300? No. Why? Because they came up with an announcement that, hey, everyone, we're going to go ahead and we're going to raise some funds. We're going to raise some funds and we're going to... And this is the problem, right? And this is what I tell you guys. I say this is the problem with a crypto treasury. In order to have a good crypto treasury, okay, management team, you need to have Bitcoin maximalists on the board. These are individuals that believe Bitcoin is worth $1 million a share or a coin. They believe that Bitcoin is worth $5 million a share, which is what freaking the freaking crypto cock master himself said. Okay, what's his name again? I forgot what his name is. The MSTR guy, the MicroStrategy guy. Dang it, I forgot his name. It's on the tip of my tongue, but I forgot his name right now, right? So you need these individuals in positions of power, right? Because after all, these are the people that are going to be willing to invest in Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin maximalists. But the problem is, whose money are they investing into Bitcoin? Your money. They're making this money by selling shares in order to buy more Bitcoin, buy more Bitcoin, buy more Bitcoin. Oh, it's so cheap right now, buy more Bitcoin. Oh, it's so cheap right now, buy more Bitcoin. Oh, it's so cheap right now, buy more Bitcoin. How are they doing so? They're selling your shares. So what are you looking at? What you're looking at is you're getting to a place where the company is getting richer by selling shares and holding Bitcoin, but their stock price is going down. Because tell me this, right? When do you think MicroStrategy, the company, Michael Saylor is his name, okay? When do you think, just came to me, when do you think MicroStrategy was worth more? Okay? You tell me this. Real question, okay? April of 2024, okay? April of 2024 or November of 2025. You know what? Let's take a look at BTC. This is April, June, July, August. Where am I going? This is April, trading at 57K, okay? 57K. Now it's trading at 90K. So almost a 2x. Did Michael Saylor sell any Bitcoin? No. If anything, he just bought more, bought more, bought more. So MicroStrategy is worth more, but their share price is suffering. This is the reason why I tell people, I say, yo, listen, this is not fucking 2017 anymore. It's not 2020. Like, you can just buy Bitcoin. Like, if you believe in Bitcoin, just buy the damn Bitcoin. Like, what is going on? I just don't understand, right? I just don't understand. And, you know, someone's gonna come in here and say, oh, well they're gonna make money by staking it. They're gonna make money by staking it. Staking it. What do you think they're gonna do more? Stake it, or are they gonna sell shares? And what happens? Tell me this, right? What happens when Bitcoin sees another down cycle? Right? What will happen if Bitcoin ever sees another down cycle? Which it will. It will, my friends. It will. I know your Bitcoin buddies are telling you, oh no, that's it. It's never going down again. It's never going down. What happens if it does? Right? What happens if it does? What happens? I'll tell you what happens. Right? These companies are now going to justify that, oh my God, Bitcoin is so cheap. First of all, they're going to crash because Bitcoin is down, right? And they're Bitcoin treasury stocks, so they're going to crash with Bitcoin. Then they're going to come out and justify that, oh my God, Bitcoin is so cheap, we need to raise funds to buy more Bitcoin. Raise funds? How are we going to raise funds? Oh yeah, we need to sell shares. We need to actually dilute and sell shares. And now you get to a position where, you know, you have BMNR at like 20 bucks a share. Bitcoin's crashed. Now let's say Bitcoin doubles, BMNR is gonna get back to like 60. And this when Bitcoin's at like 200K. So this is the real problem when it comes to BMNR and all these other different stocks, right? So where do I see BMNR heading in 2026? I'm bullish on 2026. Okay, honestly, 2026, I see the sticker heading upwards of 50 bucks. I could see that happening because I do see Bitcoin. I see Bitcoin getting back to 120K. And I think that BMNR right now is not at its maturity state yet to go ahead and dilute at that rate. So I do see getting above 250 again, right? But the problem becomes, like, are there better stocks that are going to give you way more growth than BMNR without the dilution risk? Yes. Do you know what one of these would be? The best one would probably just be Bitcoin itself. Just buy the damn Bitcoin. I mean, and there's 1,001 stock, man. There's 1,001 stock for you guys to hold and you know, trade and invest in. And I just don't understand why these crypto treasuries have become such a big part of market, you know, retail market participation. It doesn't make sense to me. And look, maybe I'm wrong. Comment down below, right? I'm always open to conversating with you guys, right? Where, hey, if I'm wrong about the dilution problem, which is a massive problem, right? I don't want you to go, yeah, but okay, you're right about dilution, but you know what, this guy said? Do you know what Tom Lee said? Bro, fuck Tom Lee. Like, what are you talking about? Think for yourself. Do you have a brain? Is what I'm saying to you not common sense? For you to tell me what Tom Lee said? It's insane. It's insane. Okay? It's insane. It's nuts. Anyways, listen. Good news for you guys. Okay? If you guys want to come trade alongside me every single day, get access to my day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, lessons, one-on-one access. We already have over 400 plus members coming back month after month. We've been crushing it month in, month out. Yesterday, Aster says, today I want to share my profit as a member of this group. I'm very amazed by the service of these people, so good and appreciative of their work, like Sambo Book. These are the other mentors alongside myself. So the community doesn't just give you access to me, it gives you access to a bunch of other mentors as well. And these mentors, they've been trading longer than I've been alive. Okay? So that's really what you're paying for, to be honest with you guys, okay? And he brought in 34,000 GBP. 34,000 GBP, okay? Elite Trader always says, cheers, Sam, patience to keep. Give it a shot, okay? We're at $39 for Eugene. So we have big wins, small wins all across the board, right? We have over 400 members coming back month after month. And we're the only community that offers a 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. Now it makes it sound, other people offer a 2 weeks free trial too, but yeah, they don't offer a 30 days money back guarantee. You know why they don't offer a 30 days money back guarantee? Because when you join, they're hoping and praying that you forget that you joined, your card gets charged, and they're like, gotcha, That's not how we operate. We literally give you an extra freaking month to decide whether or not the payment that went through, do you want it to go through or do you want us to reverse it for you and give you a full refund? But I'm telling you, man, people are coming back. People are coming back. $27 for a Heather. A pretty good climb after getting the hang of things, plus market helps. Thanks, Simon. Beautiful. My bags are full this week. Big Ubbies Pro Trader, but thanks. $2,300 in a single week. We've been crushing it, man. We've been crushing it day in and out. Weepo Man says 7. This is a couple of days ago on December 3rd. As you guys can see, Wednesday, December 3rd. Says 7 trails. It says trial. 7 trial days down, 7 to go. Open a new broker account to track this Discord alerts. And if this keeps up, I'm going to become a paid member. Thank you. About 8,000 or 6,000. I can't really tell. But what do you mean if this keeps up, I want to become... Dude, you're up $8,000. Talking about I might join. Like these people, man. Crazy. Thank you, Sam and the crew. Green trades. Great trades all around. Account getting ready for me to start dabbling up. So this is what it looks like. We give you day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, and we give you everything, okay? This is what our alerts look like. We give it a ticker, we give it an entry, we give it an exit, we give it a stop loss. We also tell you how many shares to buy in your portfolio, okay? How do we do so? We use a 10K system, a 10K account system. So we say buy 200 shares. This is in a 10K account. We use $10,000 as a benchmark. So let's say you have a 30K account, you buy 3 times this amount. You have a 50K account, you buy 5 times this amount, right? And let's take a look at this one, CMBM. 160 to 141. Okay, this was literally December 2nd. Let's just take a look at, we'll just use this one as an example real quick. It's the one that's up right now. We'll go CMBM. It's at 190. It's at 193 already. Look at this. Came down to 152. Or no, December 2nd is, yeah, 152. When is this? Let's go to... Stop loss below 129. So we bought from 160 to 141 entry range. Okay, so 152 our entry a hit, and then we said 195 plus. And look at the peaks that it went to as well. It went to 225 on December 4th. If you look down over here, it says the date, December 4th. It went to 225. So beautiful. Again, there's a reason people are coming back, man. There's a reason people are coming back. Also, right now we do have our holiday sales as well. Our holiday sale is still on. The next 10 members that join, they get access to everything for a 50% discount. This is only for the next 10 members, so give it a shot. 5 days into the 14 days free trial, and the Discord cost is already paid for. I've only been trading swing alerts, or else it would be a lot more if I had the time to also day trade. Thanks, Sam, and the amazing team we put together. Wonderful, man, wonderful. God bless, God bless, God bless. I joined after getting burned in Moon Market Discord from a pump and dump. This community changed my life. The few thousand I made here this month did not, but getting out of my losing streak, I went for like a damn gambling habit did. Like Sam says, trade the best, leave the rest, and that's exactly beautiful. Anyways, I look forward to meeting you guys. Thanks for watching. Have fun trading. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.